Surprise, surprise, he's come out of left field with a new car that I would never have thought in a million years that he was going to buy.
Sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the car community on YouTube. Hope you're doing well wherever you are tuned in the world. Hope you like this kind of stuff. If you do, smash the like button. Even better, it would be even better if you actually smash the subscribe button, because every subscription we get is a step closer to getting a project car, and we want to get to around 2,000 subs by the end of the year. So hopefully you guys can help reach that goal and you enjoy the content that I create, because look guys, just a bit of fun on the side, and I just love chatting about cars with you guys in the comments below. On today's episode, we're just going to be covering TJ Hunt, Matt Armstrong, Carwow, Shmee 150 and one other as well. Yeah, so that's who we're just going to be covering today, guys. Again, just before we jump into it, guys, I've always said it, I want to always kind of turn this into like a talk show on the weekends. If somebody's interested in coming on here on the channel and having a chat for half an hour on a Zoom call on a weekend, talk about some of your favorite car YouTubers, hit me up on my Instagram. It would be great to have one of you come on here. I think it's just better when you have two people discussing about it and just get your thoughts and opinions. It's just an idea I have for the channel, so hopefully someday we can find somebody. It would be pretty dope indeed. So as I said, let's jump into today's video. We're going to kick it off with TJ Hunt. Surprise, surprise, he's come out of left field with a new car that I would never have thought in a million years that he was going to buy. He's actually after getting a Fastback, a 1965 Fastback, a Mustang Fastback, and I think it's pretty much set in stone that he's after getting it. The guy wanted, he brought Oscar with him from SOS Customs. The guy wanted 45. I think he got him down to 38 or 39,000 for the car. It's not an original 350 as far as I know. I know nothing about these cars like TJ himself, but they are a very, very gorgeous car. I mean, he picked a good car for an old car to put in the channel, because he's not into old cars. I am slightly, but I'll be more like TJ myself. But it'd be pretty cool to see how this Fastback turns out. Now, he said he likes white with the blue stripes. I'm not a fan of white with blue stripes, just not for me. But as I said, it's his car, he can do whatever he wants with it. I'm all about that grey with the silver, with the light silver stripes would be mine, basically what I would go for. But I don't think there's much that needs to be done to it. I'm not sure. I won't know until he actually gets the car. But yeah, I would have never guessed he was getting that car. But in the comments below, guys, let me know what you think of TJ getting this. Are you glad he got this car for something different for his channel? I think it's good to freshen up his channel anyway. Definitely, you know, it's going to garner, I think, a lot of attention for his channel, bringing maybe some new subscribers. It's a good move for him, and it'll just be interesting to see what way he mods it, or how it turns out the way he wants to modify it as well. So again, guys, comment below, let me know your thoughts and opinions about what you think about TJ getting the Fastback indeed. Next up, guys, is going to be Matt Armstrong. I just keep covering this guy more and more because he is kind of like TJ Hunt. He modifies cars the way I like him. And for this channel, guys, I would love to get to his level of modifying cars for this channel. You know, if we can get there, that would be brilliant. Buying an R8, you know, a Gran Turismo. I love modified cars. I love when people take it and modify it, you know, their own way. And don't keep them standards and have those little lip kits and just subtle mods. He's going balls out with the Maserati, full Liberty Walk wide arch kit, and he's after getting new wheels for the Maserati as well. I think they're custom, and they are meaty boys. They are very, very wide. It's insane how wide they are. I think they're 11J. Now, for me, I'm all about that lip. I'm all about that dish. I'm a dish guy. I love a dish. I do like the wheels, but again, the way Matt modified cars is a bit different to everybody else, which is cool on his take of things. But I would have rather a dish on it. But the enclave that comes out is pretty cool. It's like a bronzy kind of gold color wheel. He might end up wrapping Maserati. He probably will at some stage. but they are pretty big wheels, and they look like, just when they're underneath the arch, the wide arch of the kit. Wow, insane. Just even, I highly recommend checking out these wheels and the video, guys, just to see the difference from the normal arch of it sticking out to the arch that's going on it. As I said, he's been killing it lately, so I think he's at 193,000 subs. He's going to blast past 200k subs the way he's going. The R8 has found a new owner. He put it up for competition, and the guy won the R8 for £150. Now he entered 10 times. So, there you go. Fair dues to him, to the new owner. Great win. And obviously the Maserati, I'm presuming, will go up at some stage as well. And it's a good way Matt does. I like the way he modifies his cars, does his videos, and how he raffles them off. Very highly recommend to check out his channel, guys, indeed. Next up is going to be Novitech. They are back with their Supercar diaries. I'm surprised Aaron from Life Apollos doesn't cover this, because it's brilliant. The way they do this is so good. It's their first episode of 2021. They're covering the F8 Tributo with their Novi kit, like springs on it, wheels, some carbon pieces on it, exhaust system. It is it's unbelievable in the Nardo Grey with these kind of dark gold wheels. I mean, it's just... The good thing about this is that he drives them, but he gives you some information about the car. You get a very good close-up of it as well, and having a bit of fun with the car. And the shots that these guys get are really, really nice. He did say in one of their kind of videos, a question and answer video, they spend like 3 or 4 days getting the shots, and then another 2-3 days of editing the video as well, and it really comes out well. Here's a quick clip for you guys, just the sound of the exhaust system going underneath the bridge here. There you go, guys. I hope you like it. Check out the video if you haven't. What a beautiful car. The F8 Tributo is some beast of a machine. The Novitech one is just what a spec. I highly recommend checking out the video. And their supercar diaries, well worth it. Just some of the best supercars and mods on supercars that I've seen. Just a lot of fun, and the sounds off them are just eargasmic, that's all I can say. Next up, guys, is going to be Shmee 150. So Shmee 150, as we all know, is out with Triple F connection. Checking out their cars. He's after getting his hands on the Pagani Huayra BC Macchina Volante. I might pronounce it wrong, but what an unbelievable car. I always said the Huayra would probably be my second favourite car in the world, behind the Koenigsegg Regera. The Huayra for me, the BC, the interior for me is probably the best ultimate interior in the whole world of a car. This spec, I think this car is like 1 of 20. It's over 800 brake horsepower. Great review by Shmee. It was really cold that day, so he couldn't, put the foot down on the car. But that V12 is ridiculous, and that exhaust system, when he opens up the engine, you see, or opens up the bonnet for the engine, and you see the exhaust system on it. Sounds amazing as well. Again, guys, here's another quick clip for you just to hear the revs off this thing. It is sick. There you go, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I don't know how much they worth. Do they worth like 3.5 million, those cars thereabouts, or 4? I'm not too sure, but one of the best collections up there with Triple F, the Triple F connection. I think now they're at nearly 30,000 subs, and they are just blasting on through the subs because of the collection they have. And that car is no exception. It's a great review by Shmee as usual as well. And last up, guys, on the list is going to be Carwow. Just a bit of a different video where they've actually gone away and says the top selling cars, vans, SUVs in the world throughout, ever since the cars have been made and being sold. Very well done by Matt, the way he's done it, and just the way he was saying how many cars are sold. Like, basically, I was thinking on what car would I think would be on that list, and one I did think of was the Beetle, and sure enough the Beetle was on it. But it's definitely worth going over and watching the video, because some of the cars on the list you're kind of like, oh yeah, I can definitely see that car there, and one or two others are kind of like, oh wow, didn't expect that to be up there. But there's so many cars sold of the one particular car, it's mind-boggling the way the analogy he comes out with it of what it could be compared to worldwide. It's just a really good vid and definitely interesting and worth watching as well. I just said I'd bring it up for you if you haven't seen it already. As we know, Carwow do the best drag races, but this is just a bit of a different video, and I just thought it was just some really good information and facts about these cars being sold as well. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks very much again if you watched to the end. If you're new, smash the subscribe button, like squad, hit the like button, get the video up there, and definitely comment below, because I will be bringing up your comments at the end of the week every Sunday. I will be covering your comments of like the end of a week car chat as well. So okay, and to all the new subscribers as well, actually, you've come on board, thanks very much for subscribing. Hopefully you will stay with us, and do comment below as well. So again, guys, till the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.